Starting a clothing brand with a partner like Tapstitch is an amazing way to build a business from scratch. And you guys know I love that route. But what if you aren't creative, or you just want a side hustle where you don't have to manage a storefront at all? Look at this screen right here. I made over $1,900 in profit completely passively just by connecting people with products they already need. I just shared a link. That's all I did. In fact, one single simple video I posted over on Facebook brought me in over $800 in just a few days. Today I'm giving you the unfiltered step-by-step blueprint of exactly how I did it. The free traffic strategy you can copy today, and the $5 trick I used to scale it up. If you want a side hustle that costs $0 to start, grab a pen. Let's break this down. Look, building your own e-commerce brand is highly rewarding, but the biggest roadblock a lot of beginners face is getting traffic and earning immediate trust on a brand new website. When you do affiliate marketing, you are taking a massive shortcut. You don't handle any customer service. You don't design products. You don't have boxes of inventory piling up your living room. You are literally finding an established company that has a great product, grabbing your personal partner link, and getting paid a commission every single time someone buys through you. You get to skip the building phase and go straight to the earning phase. So how did I pull over $800 from a single video? I didn't make a boring formal sales commercial. Nobody logs onto social media wanting to be pitched to. Instead, I used a simple 3-part framework that you can copy for literally any affiliate product you choose. Step 1 is the hook. Hook them with a relatable problem. You don't start a video by saying, "Hey, buy this." You start by addressing something your audience is actively struggling with. For example, if you're promoting a health or wellness product, you start with, "If you are tired of feeling completely sluggish by 2 p.m. every day, stop scrolling." Step 2, show the honest results. Show yourself actively using the products in real life. Keep it completely real. Talk about how it fits into your daily routine and what it did for you. People buy from people they trust, not corporate ads. Step 3 is the clear action step. Don't leave them guessing. You close out by saying exactly where the link is. Say, "I put the direct link in my bio," or pinned it in the comment or in the descriptions below so you can secure yours. So get it below. So these are just steps that I take. Now here's the secret sauce that turned a good organic video into a major payday. Paid boosting. A lot of beginners are absolutely terrified of spending money on ads, but hear me out. You don't start by throwing money at a random video. You wait until you post a short video that is already getting good views and comments completely for free. Once you see that the algorithm is organically pushing it, you hit that promote or boost button and put a tiny budget behind it, literally just $5 a day. This tells the platform to take your winning video and push it directly to thousands of more people who match your perfect target audience. It pours gasoline on a fire that is already burning. But look, I want to be totally 100% transparent with you guys so you don't make the same mistake I did when I started. If you look closely at my dashboard, you can see I've generated over 1,000 link clicks because I love sharing valuable resources. I was posting my link across YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook all at the same time. The mistake I made early on was not setting up unique tracking codes for each platform. So what I mean by that is, I can't tell you to the exact dollar amount which sales came from YouTube versus Facebook. When you sign up for an affiliate dashboard, make sure to generate a custom, get custom links, like one ending in YT for YouTube and one ending in FB for Facebook. That way you know exactly where your money is hiding and exactly where to focus your energy at. Stop trying to force incredibly complicated business models. If you're just starting out from zero, find a high demand niche, get a trusted affiliate link, and start putting out simple problem solving content, because I want to see this community win. I'm currently putting together a master list of the top high paying affiliate programs for beginners this year that costs absolutely $0 to join. If you want me to drop that video next, do me a massive favor. Smash that subscribe button right there down below and comment affiliate down below so I know if you're ready for it. Let's build this passive income together, and I'll see you in the next video.